Hi and welcome to Curly Beauty 13. In this video, I filmed my wash and go using the Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish and the Curl Sculpt. The hair that you see is not from that video. Stay tuned until the end so you can see exactly what I thought of this wash and go. This video might seem like it's a little all over the place because it was originally going to be a how to perfect your wash and go, but I ended up doing things while I was styling that I don't usually do. I didn't want to put this out as how I get my great wash and go results. So keep a lookout for that video in the future where I give you my tips of how I get my perfect wash and go. I hope you enjoy. Now keep watching so you can see how it went. So my hair is still wet. It's drying out more in the outside area, so I'll add water to that. Now, in this wash day, we used a quick mask. Sometimes I mask in the shower, other times I mask under steam or a heated cap. It all depends on how I'm feeling and how my hair feels. My hair feels really nice after using this quick Garnier mask. I will be using to style my hair the Curl Nourish leave-in treatment and the Curl Sculpt conditioning cream gel that I received in a CurlBox. I will put it here. I don't remember what month it was. These two don't necessarily say to be used together, but I did test them on my hands and they look like they mix well, so I'm going to try them together. Adding some water because my hair was getting dry. Here I just started to add in the leave-in conditioner. Those two parts are done. I'll separate them again when I need to. The leave-in is all in, and now we're going to work on sections of the gel. So this is the Curl Sculpt conditioning cream gel. Oh, I really like how this gel smells. It has like a more fruity smell. I like it. This side will brush, the other side I'll just use my hands. Now the front part, I'm going to brush this side after I comb it through. Side, I'm going to use my fingers again. I'm just trying to make sure any frizz that I see is taken care of. I believe there was an oil in this box too, so I might add it on top. I do see some frizz spots that need to be addressed. So this side will most likely be shrunken more because of the brush, but we'll see. So we'll see how this comes out when it's all dry. I'll be back in a few hours or more. I'll let you know how everything feels. This is the oil. It can be used in your scalp as a nourishing oil or as a deep treatment. We are going to see how it works just on the top because I have some, it feels a little sticky, some frizz up here. So we're just going to put it on the top. I'm back and here's my hair after it's all dried. First thing I noticed is that the side that I did not use the brush is a little elongated, but the side that I did use the brush, Try to look in the mirror. Looks more chunky and defined. I also noticed that both sides are kind of frizzy, but this side is more frizzy, so the brush did help with the frizz. I don't mind the shrunken-ness. It will get bigger as the days go on. What I don't like about this wash and go is that there's not enough hold. So I don't think that this wash and go will last me more than a few days, because without the hold, it's going to get drier, especially my ends, faster. So I'm going to try to make this look a little better. I'm trying to use everything from this CurlBox. So I don't know if I want to refresh it yet, because maybe I'll do this tomorrow. What I'm going to do right now is just add some of that multi-use oil and kind of bring the hair down, see if we can get rid of some of that frizz. There is a slight sheen to the hair, but it's not something I hate, but I don't love it either. All right, let's try to use this multi-purpose oil. We're just going to put it all through my hair on both sides. Start from the bottom. Stretch it out. So that's pretty much it for this wash and go. I will come back in a day, maybe 2 days, and let you know how it lasted, if it lasts that long. I'm trying to not keep my hair in a style if I don't feel like it is the best thing for my hair, especially my ends. Since I recently got a cut, I'm trying to baby those ends and take as much care of them as I can. And if the ends are too dry, that will get them to be split and single strand knots. So we don't want that. So I'll come back if I can. If not, this will be the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. But I hope I can come back and give a update. If I was gonna go out, I'd probably try to see, and then there's no definition really there or here. So I'd have to leave it like this. So we're just going to wear it out. I might put it up in a pineapple while I'm home. I will try to refresh with this curl refresher before I give my final thoughts. Hi, I'm back, and this is my hair after a few days. I will put the amount of days right here. This wash and go is not one of my favorites. I feel like it did not have a lot of hold or definition, and my hair is dull. So we're going to try to boost it. This is the only reason I haven't washed my hair yet. I'm going to try to use the reviving water. It's a curl refresher, and see if that helps. It says that it can be applied evenly on damp or dry hair, and it can be reapplied as desired until your next wash. So let's see if this helps at all. It has the same scent as the rest of the curl products except for the gel. The gel had a different scent. And I like the scent of the gel better. I should be doing this in sections, but I'm on my way out, so I'm kind of rushing. So this is literally how I would refresh if I was going somewhere and my hair looked like this and I didn't have time to wash it. I feel like I have to add a lot of water. And because I'm not adding regular water, I do have to add more of this product. So I'm going to work on the front. I have to use way too much of this, and it's not coming out as fast as I'd like it to. This is probably better for your hair than regular water, especially if you live somewhere with hard water. So that could be a plus. But other than that, I just feel like if I'm in a rush, this is taking way too long. It's not even wet enough. I used this much, if you can see it already. To refresh, I'm going to add some more of the gel since I preferred the smell of that. It says slightly damp hair. My hair is slightly damp, I guess now, if even. And it's a cream gel, so I'm wondering if I just use the gel by itself, if it would have given a better hold. We'll try the gel again by itself. So I'm getting ready to head out. I'm gonna finish my hair, and I will come back when I return and let you know what I think of these products and if I'll use them again. I'm all done with this refresh. We'll see how it is when I get back. I'm running a few errands and then I'll be back and let you know how it dried and how it held up for the day. So I'll see you in a few. So you saw that I refreshed my hair and I said I would come back. Unfortunately, the refresh did not work very well. By the time I came back, my hair was frizzy. It was just, my curls were just a mess. If I could find a picture, I'll put it here. But I just wasn't happy with it. So once I got home, I washed my hair and did a whole new wash and go because I was going out of town for a few days. If you're interested in me using just the Curl Sculpt for a wash and go to see if that works better by itself, let me know that down below. And be on the lookout for me to use the Curl Stretch Pudding, which I did use already, but I didn't film it. And we'll see what kind of results I get from using this versus what you just saw. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you leave me a comment down below. See you next time. Bye.